By any chance, are you connected with the owner of Sahyadri?
Yeah.
Uh, I think his name is Aman.
Oh,
Uh,
his name is Nikhil. He's also Nikhil.
so he wears specs, has
Yes.
a what is that?
Expulse.
Expulse.
Yeah. Nikhil Karande
You
is my friend.
won't believe
Yeah.
the other day. So I commute through RA Road
Hmm.
Colony, and I was stopping there for a cold drink, and I just saw this Expulse with the Sahyadrika mount on it, and you know Expulse has that high exhaust mount,
Yeah.
so the saddle
Hmm.
stay has to go over it. So I just asked him out of curiosity. I didn't know that this is Nikhil from Sahyadri.
Yeah.
I had no clue. I just know the brand. So I asked him, "Ki doesn't this cause any imbalance and all?" So he's like, "कि मैंने बनाया." I'm like, "क्या बात करो? This is Sahyadri." तो वो कहता है कि आई एम द ओनर ऑफ सह्याद्री. So I started speaking to him, and yes, now I recollect he mentioned his name. So I was mentioning कि as such and such products that I have, and I also got to, by the way, talk to Nikhil from क्या कहते हैं Route 95. कहता है यार Nikhil, I've met him. He and I have met on certain occasions. So
And
you won't believe my luck. I mean, first I get to meet you, then I get to meet the owner of Sahyadri. So I mean, it's been such an amazing journey, and that's what जो मुझे लगता है कि I am an introvert person by nature. First time I'm ever putting myself out there.
okay.
So I'm trying to talk to more people, and God has been so kind enough that I'm getting to meet amazing people, people who are experts in their field, and looking at it, the way you run things, the way Nikhil runs things from Sayadri, and other owners. I have kind of got that encouragement that even I can do something that I am passionate about. For me, it's riding. It's my kind of riding, and there are tons of opinions out
Okay.
there.
So you took the name of Nikhil. I'm sorry, I'm
Yeah,
cutting
yeah.
in between, but I can't leave my excitement. And I don't know why he said, okay, I met him a couple times. He's always here.
So he
Okay,
might
by
not have wanted. He might
yeah,
not have
maybe.
known ki I know you, or I'm
Okay,
just throwing around words.
so we are best of friends.
Okay.
Partially where Route 95 or why Route 95 is also his contribution.
Okay.
If you see the creatives that we do, or if you see this very thing, it's made by him. He designed this stuff.
Achha. Oh yes, I've seen this on his bike as well.
Yeah, but if you talk about this paper that you're
Uh-huh.
holding, the design
Achha,
that
the
you
creative
see,
itself.
the design that you see here, these are all his works.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
he's digitally creative, and on a hardware
Look,
basis
guys,
also
fate.
he's very creative. So I don't know, he was being very modest, or he didn't
He
want
might have been
to.
trying to protect your
Yeah,
privacy because,
probably
again, I'm
yes.
just a random person who's
Yeah,
met him.
right.
So,
Yeah,
but again, fate as you would have
yeah,
it.
yeah. Meaning, if you would say